The humidity in Texas, y'all, today is like, what the fuck happened to my hair? It's not why I'm here, though. I showed y'all my car. My 69 Impala that I'm going to restore. So here is the first of many tool sets that I'm, building up. Got my DeWalt. Oh, look at that beautifulness. Look at it, look at it. Oh my god. I did buy a Craftsman mechanics set that I'll show you next, but this is one of the things that I bought that I'm super proud of. I can't wait to continue working on this car.